So this short little video is going to be about a new problem I experienced with my DJI Mavic Air drone. If you notice, I'm going to have to calibrate it because I received notification as soon as I opened the app that there was high magnetic fields. I wasn't sure if it was because I was at the top of a parking garage, but told me I had to calibrate the compass, so I had to pick it up and spin it around and point it down and spin it around. So anyways, I fly it. I thought the camera looked a little funky when I was on the ground. So I finally figured out what the issue was. I obviously sped this video up. The drone really can go fast, 40 miles an hour, but not quite this fast because I sped it up because this video is going to be short. So anyways, I was having issues. I would take it out just so far and I would lose connection and it would say return to home. So I returned it to home. And if you notice, I'm going to take it over into some woods, and I was having an issue again. I'm like, I don't know, is it because I'm standing on the top of the parking garage? I don't know. I didn't think so because I figured I'd have a clear line of sight to it. So I figured it out. It was the landing gear. I forgot to put it down. If I followed directions, would have done that. And if you're familiar with the Mavic Air drone, that you know the landing gear is also the antennas. So without the antennas being extended, you don't fly well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you like, share, all that.